Hello, this is Keith Graham from Codasip. I want to show you how to remove your window from flickering that you might experience using the extended register view while in the debugger. So let's switch over to Codasip Studio. You can see that I'm in the debugger, and so to show this example, I'm going to start my debug. I'm going to use one of my history debug sessions in this dialog box. I'm going to say initiate the debug session. You can see that my cursor is at the very first instruction of my assembly routine. Now to show you this case, I'm going to have to go into the extended view of my registers. And you can see that my extended registers on the right. You can also see that this is my highlighted or focus window because the tab here is highlighted or it's in bright white letters, where these are dim in the background. So this is my focus tab or window. Now, if I step through to the next assembly instruction, you can see that it will flicker. It goes back. I'll do it one more time. You can see that I'm at PC 104. If I go to the next step, it flickers and shows you your assembly routine, and then it goes back to your register view, and you can see that now I'm at 1008. So I'm showing the right view, but I'm flickering. But on the left is where my initial view of my program is. The way the debugger works, it will always update in the focus window your program that you're debugging. So every time I step through it, it will update my program in the focus window. Now, if we want to get rid of the flickering, I want to change the focus back to my original window. So I'm going to go back, and you can see now I've clicked on my program here. It's highlighted, or it's in bright letters, so that's my focus window. And when I step through it, you can see that I step to the next instruction, and the RPC went to 100C, the next instruction, and I had no flickering. I'll do it one more time. So this is shows you how to get rid of flickering in the debugger if you're using register view. Now let me show you one more thing. So I'm going to stop my debug session. I'm going to get out of my extended register view. I'm going to start a new debug session. I'm going to do my extended view. And at the very beginning, I'm going to go and select my initial window again. So as I start my program, I've actually just updated, I actually have to click through once to update the register view. So I'm at 1004, and I'll go one more step. You can see that the register view updates to 1008, and I never had that flicker. So once again, to get rid of flickering in the debugger with the extended window or the extended registers or extended memory, we have to change the focus back to your original window or your original program that you're debugging. So hopefully this video is helpful. If it is, please subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified of additional videos when they are published. Good luck!